Come pre-assembled for quick and easy installation. Several fastener options to work with any fuel cap compartment configuration. Fits vehicles originally equipped with tether. Reduces air pollution with proper sealing and venting. Manufactured from durable, long-life materials. Fit type. Vehicle specific. You no longer need to go to the dealer to replace your old, worn-out or broken tethered fuel cap. Perfect, affordable option as a direct replacement to your OE tethered cap, ready to install quickly and easily. Manufactured with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. Top reviews from the United States. Works on a 2004 Mazda 3 hatchback 2.3. Easy to install. It has the plastic line so you can hang and don't lose the cap. The old one I had didn't have it and had to rest the cap on the top of the car. It was very annoying.